We continue with diagnosis according to Zhang Fu organ patterns with the pattern stomach fire. Stomach fire is an excess pattern. So patterns of a stomach fire can vary in intensity. There can be mild patterns of stomach heat, and there can be intense patterns of stomach fire. It has, for its etiology, like most stomach and spleen imbalances, stomach fire usually has its roots in dietary imbalances. Consuming food and beverages that have a hot, energetic dynamic can create stomach fire. Alcohol, too much meat, especially lamb, fried food, grilled food, and hot spices are among the most common factors contributing to stomach fire. Tobacco can also be a factor as it is hot and affects both the lungs and the stomach. Food stagnation can be a cause of stomach fire. Therefore, eating too much at a time, eating too quickly, eating too late in the day, and eating food that is difficult to transform can be an aspect in this pattern's etiology. Stress, repressed anger, frustration, and irritation can generate liver fire, which can then invade the stomach, creating stomach fire. Furthermore, prolonged anxiety and worry can stagnate stomach chi, which can eventually generate stomach fire. Its symptoms and signs are as follows: the searing, burning epigastric pain, insatiable or gnawing hunger, intense thirst with a desire for cold beverages. The person will often drink in large gulps. There is acid reflux, constipation, nausea, vomiting of sour vomit, malodorous breath, blisters or ulcers in the mouth, bleeding gums, parodontosis, sour or bitter taste in the mouth, mental restlessness, dark urine, dry, parched lips. The person may seem unsettled and restless. The person may tend to be ebullient and talk quickly. There is a red face, an aversion to heat, and there is redness in the middle of the tongue with a dry yellowish or brownish tongue coating, a rapid and full pulse, especially in the right guan position and possibly chun positions. The key symptoms here are insatiable hunger, bad breath, thirst, acid reflux, redness in the middle of the tongue. For the treatment principle, we drain stomach fire. For the acupuncture points, we can choose from stomach 21, stomach 34, stomach 40, stomach 44, REN 12, REN 13, spleen 6, LI 11, and bladder 21. We use the draining technique in kneeling except for spleen 6, which should be tonified. For the explanation on points, stomach 21, stomach 40, stomach 44, REN 12, REN 13, and bladder 21 all drain the stomach fire and regulate stomach chi. LI 11 drains stomach fire. Stomach 34 drains stomach fire and stops bleeding from gums. Spleen 6 nourishes and protects the stomach yin. When there is stomach fire, the person should avoid all foods that are hot in their energy. They should eat cooling or neutral foods, especially boiled or steamed vegetables and foods that are moist or glutinous in their consistency, such as porridge. This will help protect the stomach's yin aspect. The ingestion of umeboshi plums will have a neutralizing effect on stomach fire and can be used in acute conditions. If food stagnation is involved in the generation of stomach fire, it is important that the person follows the dietary advice for this pattern. Stomach fire can be caused by stomach chi stagnation, liver fire, and food stagnation. In turn, it can result to phlegm heat, stomach yin deficiency, blood stagnation in the stomach. So to summarize, stomach phlegm fire has its etiology in excessive hot, spicy phlegm-forming foods, smoking, and emotions such as prolonged anger, frustration, resentment, and depression. The underlying or accompanying pathology, there is spleen qi deficiency, stomach qi deficiency, stomach heat, liver qi stagnation, liver fire blazing, and heart fire blazing. The signs and symptoms are burning epigastric pain, bitter taste, thirst, but no desire to drink. There is bleeding gums, mental restlessness, constipation, nausea, vomiting soon after food, sour regurgitation, dry mouth ulcers, excessive hunger, bad breath, feeling of heat, oppression of chest or in the epigastrium. There is mucus in the stools, insomnia, vivid dreaming, expectoration of phlegm. The pulse is slippery, rapid, slightly overflowing in the right middle position. The tongue will have a red body, deep midline crack, sticky yellow coating also within stomach crack. The treatment principle, clear stomach and drain fire, harmonize stomach, transform phlegm, nourish yin fluids. So for the acupuncture treatment, stomach 44 to clear stomach heat, stomach 21 to stimulate the descending of qi, Ren 13 to subdue rebellious qi, Li4 to regulate face, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Spleen 15 to move qi and regulate the intestines. Spleen 9 to transform dampness. Spleen 6 to supplement the spleen in the stomach. Stomach 34 to harmonize the stomach. Ren 12 to clear stomach heat. Lung 11 to clear heat. Ren 11 to harmonize the middle burner. Stomach 40 to transform phlegm and benefit the chest, and Ren 9 to harmonize the intestines. We all needle these points with drainage. Thank you for your attention.